Today we will discuss about cell organelles and their functions. Inside every cell are tiny, specialized structures called cell organelles. Each organelle performs a specific function, just as different departments work together in a company. List of cell organelles. Cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, lysosomes, peroxisomes, vacuoles, centrosomes and centrioles, cytoskeleton, cilia, flagella. Now we will discuss each and every one in detail. 1. Cell membrane, plasma membrane. Structure. A. Thin, flexible membrane made of phospholipids and proteins. B. Surrounds the cell. Functions. Protects the cell. Controls what enters and leaves the cell. Selectively permeable. Helps in cell communication through receptors. 4. Maintains the cell's internal environment. Homeostasis. Easy memory. Cell membrane equals security guard of the cell. 2. Cytoplasm. Structure. Jelly-like fluid inside the cell. Contains all organelles. Functions. Suspends organelles. Site of many metabolic reactions. Helps transport nutrients and wastes. Three. Nucleus. Structure. Largest organelle in most cells. Surrounded by a nuclear membrane. Contains DNA and chromosomes. Functions. Controls all cellular activities. Stores genetic information. Controls protein synthesis. Regulates cell division. Easy memory. Nucleus equals brain of the cell. 4. Nucleolus. Structure. Dense region inside the nucleus. Functions. Produces ribosomal RNA or RNA. Assembles ribosomes. Easy memory. Nucleolus equals ribosome factory. 5. Ribosomes. Structure. Tiny particles made of rRNA and proteins. Free in cytoplasm or attached to rough ER. Functions. Site of protein synthesis. Free ribosomes make proteins used inside the cell. Attached ribosomes make proteins for secretion or membranes. Easy memory. Ribosomes equals protein factory. Zexta endoplasmic reticulum. A. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Structure. Covered with ribosomes. Functions. Synthesizes proteins. Folds and modifies proteins. Transports proteins to the Golgi apparatus. Easy memory. RER equals protein production line. B is multi endoplasmic reticulum. Structure. No ribosomes. Functions. Synthesizes lipids and steroids. Detoxifies drugs and toxins. Stores calcium ions in muscle cells. Easy memory. SCR equals lipid factory and detox center. 7. Golgi apparatus. Structure. Stacks of flattened sacs. Functions. 1. Modifies proteins and lipids. 2. Packages them into vesicles. 3. Sends them to their destination. Forms lysosomes. Asterisk easy memory asterisk Golgi apparatus equals post office of the cell. Mitochondria. Structure. Double membrane. Inner membrane folded into cristae. Contains its own DNA. Functions. 1. Produces ADP, energy. 2. Site of aerobic respiration. 3. Supplies energy for cellular activities. Easy memory. Mitochondria equals powerhouse of the cell. 9. Lysosomes. Structure. Small membrane-bound sacs. Contain digestive enzymes. Functions. 1. Digest worn-out organelles. 2. Destroy bacteria and virus. 3. Recycle cellular waste. 4. Can digest the cell itself, autolysis. Easy memory. Lysosome equals recycling center. 10. Peroxisomes. Structure. Small enzyme-filled sacs. Functions. Break down fatty acids. Detoxify hydrogen peroxide using catalase. Protect the cell from oxidative damage. Easy memory. Peroxisome equals detox center. 11. Vacuoles. Animal cells. Small and numerous. Plant cell. One large central vacuole. Functions. Stores water, nutrients, and wastes. Maintains cell pressure, turgor pressure, in plants. Easy memory. Vacuole equals storage tank. 12. Centrosomes and centri. Structure. Present mainly in animal cells. Contains 2 centrioles. Functions. Organizes spindle fibers. Helps during cell division. Organizes microtubules. Easy memory. Centrioles equals cell division organizers. 13. Cytoskeleton. Structure. Network of protein fibers. Functions. Maintains cell shape. Supports organelles. Helps movement inside the cell. Assists in cell division. Easy memory. Cytoskeleton equals cell skeleton. 14. Cilia. Structure. Short hair-like projections. Functions. Move mucus and fluids. Help movement of some cells. Example. Respiratory tract. (15) Flagella. Structure: long whip-like projections. Functions: help in cell movement. Example: human sperm cell.
Subscribe to my channel.